Welcome back all my dear students for our virtual classes. My dear students, in the previous video we have started the last type of rock, and that was metamorphic rock. And we have also seen there are 4 examples of metamorphic rocks. Okay, and after that we have seen the information about one example, and that was, which was that? Marble. Okay, now today we have to see the information about new or next example of metamorphic rock, and that is slate. The next type or next example of metamorphic rock is slate. Now we have to see the example, or we have to take the information about slate. We have to see how do the slate form, which are the different uses of slate. We have to see now. Now listen carefully. Slate. This is one type of metamorphic rock. Okay, and slate is formed due to metamorphosis of shale. Okay, it is formed due to metamorphosis of shale. We have learned shale is a sedimentary rock. Okay, so slate is formed due to change in the form of shale or metamorphosis of shale. Shale is a sedimentary type of rock. Okay, after that, this slate, it is available in black or grey in color. Okay, color of slate is what? Black or grey in color, and slates are very easy, or it can be easily split into thin layer. Okay, it can easily split or it can break easily into thin layer. Okay, so the uses now, uses of slate. Slate is used for making blackboards. Okay, after that floors and slate board. Okay, in the ancient time when the children used to go into the school, they used to use what? Slate for writing. Nowadays in the modern era, today's students do not write on the slate, but in the olden time students used to write on the slate. Okay, so here I have told you the all information about slate. Slate is one type of what? Metamorphic rock, and it is formed due to metamorphosis of shale, and shale is a sedimentary rock. After that, I have told you the color of slate. It is available in grey or black in color. Okay, and it can be easily split into thin layer. So it is used for making what then? Blackboards, floors and slate boards. Okay, so here now I am going to write the properties of slate. It is formed due to change in the form of shale. Shale is a sedimentary type of rock. Okay, means we can say here slate is formed from the shale, and shale, we know this type of sedimentary rock, it is found at the bottom of the sea level. We have learned the information about this. Okay, after that it is black or grey in color. Grey in color means it is available in black or grey in color. After that it can easily split in thin layer. Okay, Now we have to see the uses of slate. Uses. It is used for making blackboards and slate board. Slate board means what? In the olden time, when the student used to go into the school, they generally used to write on the slate. But nowadays, today's students do not write on the slate. Okay. When I was in a primary school, I have used this slate. Okay. So here we have taken the information about slate. Slate is formed from the shell. Shell is a sedimentary rock. Okay. After that, it is found in black and grey in color, and this slate can easily split into thin layer. Okay. So here uses of slate we have seen. It is used for making blackboards and slate board. Okay. I hope you understood this information about slate. Okay. Please note down all the points that I have written. Okay. After that, we have to see the next example of metamorphic rock, that is quartzite. Please write down this point. Okay. So the next point now, next example of metamorphic rock, we have to see the example of that now. That is quartzite. Quartzite. Okay, my dear students, now we have to see the information about quartzite. Okay, now listen it. This is the example of metamorphic rock. Okay, now how do this quartzite form? Okay, quartzite is formed due to metamorphosis of sandstone. Okay, metamorphosis of sandstone means we can say here quartzite is formed from the sedimentary rock sandstone. Before some time we have seen that slate is formed from what? Slate is formed from, okay, after that quartzite. Quartzite is formed from what? Quartzite is formed from the sandstone, and sandstone is a sedimentary rock. Okay, and quartzite name itself tells us that quartzite contain, or it is rich in the mineral called quartz. Means mineral quartz is present in the large quantity in this quartzite, and quartzite is very hard. It is very hard in nature. Now uses. Quartzite is used for making statues. Okay. After that, glass, and it is also useful for making jewelry. Okay. Now I am writing the properties. It is formed due to change or metamorphosis of change in the form of sandstone. Means we can say here quartzite is formed from the sandstone. Before some time we have seen that slate is formed from shale. That was also sedimentary rock. And quartzite is formed from the sandstone. Okay. Mineral quartz. Quartz is present in it in a large scale. Okay. This quartz mineral is present into this quartzite. Okay. After that, it is very hard. It is very hard in nature. This quartzite is very hard in nature. Okay. Now uses of quartzite. Okay. So it is used for making. It is used for making statue. After that, glass and jewelry. So here this is the all information about quartzite. Quartzite is an example of metamorphic rock, and it is formed due to what? Sandstone. And sandstone is what? Which kind of rock that is? Sedimentary rock. Okay. Mineral. Quartz is present in this on a large scale. This mineral is present into the quartz, and it is very hard in nature. Quartzite is very hard in nature. So that's why it is useful for making what? Statue, glass and jewelry. Okay. So we have seen that slate is formed from what? Shell. Quartzite is formed from what? Sandstone. Means we can say here that these rocks are forming from different types of rock. Okay. So here today we have learned the information about two rocks, and that was slate and quartzite. I hope you understood these points. Please note down all these points. Whenever I write something on the blackboard, you must write those points. Okay. So please note down all these points that I have written. Now only one type of rock remains, and that is gneiss. And the question and answer you will get in the next video. Okay. Up to that time, stay safe, stay healthy at your home, and do your study well. Okay. See you in the next video with the next point. Okay. Thank you.